In honor of Argentina's tango, Chinese artist Cai Guoqiang created a spectacular fireworks display that appears to mirror the movement of the sensual dance. The exhibit, Life is a Tango Dance, Tango and Fireworks for Argentina, attracted 200,000 people to the dance's recognized birthplace, Buenos Aires' La Boca neighborhood.
I'm no tango expert, but it has touched me because tango is universal, a heritage of all mankind.
A total of 43,000 fireworks were set off during the 80-minute performance, and a traditional tango orchestra was on hand playing tango standards. Cai became internationally known in the 90s, creating installations using colorful dust and explosions.